Bo. He's one of our new arrivals. He's been here about 5 weeks, but he's just had a little bit of a fight in the night. I just noticed that he's got a swelling around here. So you can see he's got these little gashes. And he's got a little bit down here on the coronet band. And then over here, on the opposite front. They're quite nasty. So I'm going to put the Fulvic powder on. This is Natural Pet Vitality. We give it to them in their food. We put it on injuries. It's helping with flies. Well, helping to keep flies at bay. It's just amazing stuff. I used to use a thing called wound powder, and like about a week after you couldn't find the wound. But this stuff, not wound powder, what am I talking about? Wonder Gel. I used to put Wonder Gel on stuff, and then a week later I wouldn't be able to find where the injury was. But this stuff is like in days. Right, let's have a look at the back one. Oh, a little bit there. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy. That's a bit tender, isn't it? I'm going to put that on for now and then give it another cold hose at some point. Bless his heart. Because he's a bit of a leery boy. Thank you.
No problem. Here we go. This is healing very nicely. You wouldn't even know it had been there. This was literally bloody and raw a few days ago. And it's healing so fast, he's actually got hair growing on it. He's got this one here, and this is healing so fast that the scab has healed. Where is it? There we are, sorry. The scab has healed and started to peel off. I mean, that is super fast. Here the same. I'm sorry, the light is not great today. But yeah, unbelievable. And this one was horrible. This was really deep. There it is. Hello, Bo. Good lad. That was really deep. 2 days. That's it. And he's had the Fulvic on twice. Sorry, 3 days. He's had the Fulvic, the Natural Pet Vitality powder on there twice. This is growing back hair, and the others are scabbing, and the scabs are falling off. So it's just such rapid healing. I cannot tell you. Wound powder, that Wonder Gel stuff from the Gold Label company. They're all amazing. Sudocreme, all amazing. But this is just next level. So thrilled. Well done, the powders.